Hi everybody, welcome to the Master Flow Plumbing YouTube channel. Today we're going to actually walk inside of a house that I'm supposed to winterize. It is probably one of the worst properties I've ever seen. We're not going to identify who it is for obvious reasons, but this place is a mess. Yeah, not sure what's going on right there, but that don't look good. Probably not going to stay here and be here for very long. This place is pretty messed up. Yeah, you can see here, this ain't good. This is just not good. Turn a little light on. Yes, those are worms crawling around in that toilet. It's kind of bugs I've never seen before. Got broken pipes. This place is just a disaster. Not sure what all happened here. But yeah, it's a mess. I think it's beyond repair. Homeowner would be better off to actually just kind of start from scratch again here, I believe. So, yep, that's what we got. I think you have it bad. You folks have a great day.